the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. From the National Science Foundation, this is the ARRA Report.
Wildfires can ignite an inferno in just seconds. On average, 5 million acres burn in the United States every year, threatening homes and lives. Georgia State University professor Zylan Hu has received a $1 million NSF-ARRA grant to look for ways to improve computer simulation models that may help firefighters combat wildfires more effectively. Working with colleagues from the University of Oklahoma, Texas A&M, and Oak Ridge National Laboratory, they hope to combine several simulation models into a large model that will simulate how the deployment of resources will work to suppress the fire. Solving complex environmental problems of the 21st century requires knowing more than just science, or just one science discipline. So atmospheric students learn about soils, while soil students learn about atmospheric science, while they all learn broader policy implications that come out of their science. That is the idea behind NSF's Integrated Graduate Education Research Training Program, which just awarded a group of researchers at Washington State University a $3 million ARRA grant to train approximately 30 new doctoral students for the next 5 years. The students will study and conduct research related to the nitrogen cycle in the environment, while also receiving training in policy studies. The goal is to produce scientists and engineers who have a better understanding of policy and its importance. Agriculture, development, excavation. These activities alter our planet and today are happening at a much greater rate than ever before. To better understand their impacts on the climate, University of Delaware scientists funded by an NSF-ARRA grant teamed up with the Stroud Water Research Center to establish the Christina River Basin as a critical zone observatory, a specific portion of the planet from the treetops to the groundwater that sustains terrestrial life. This will become one of only 6 such observatories in the United States. The 565 square mile basin spanning 5 counties in Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Maryland include pristine areas, deep forests, agricultural fields, and urban settings, an ideal living laboratory. Here, the team will work to answer big environmental questions like how soil erosion and sediment are transported through the rivers, and at what rate, how it impacts the exchange of carbon between the land and the atmosphere, and ultimately, how this process affects climate. That's the ARRA Report. I'm Dina Headley.